Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 2 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy! Remember, back in Grammar 2.5.1, we learned how to express conclusions and decisions like, just do this then, with the word 就 plus a verb. For example, how do you say, if you don't want to go, just rest at home then? 你不想去，就在家休息吧。很好。就 expresses just do this then. Now, can 就 be used to express just in other cases? For instance, in just 20 minutes, I'll be there. Actually, we can. We say, 我20分钟就到。我20分钟就到。Now think about this for a second. What's the difference between in 20 minutes I'll be there and in just 20 minutes I'll be there? What does the word just express? It's implying that 20 minutes is a very short time, isn't it? The person is saying you don't have to wait a long time, just 20 minutes, I'll be there. So learning how to use the word 就 can help you add similar nuances when making a promise like this. And optionally, you can add了 at the end of the sentence. 我20分钟就到了。我20分钟就到了。It won't be long. 我20分钟就到了。More examples. How do you say, the students get to the classroom at 7:30? 同学们7点半来教室。What's the verb here? That's right, it's 来 to come. So 来 is the verb. So you can add 就 before the verb 来 to express just or as early as. 同学们7点半就来教室。同学们7点半就来教室。The students get to the classroom as early as 7:30. 就 here is expressing that they got here faster or earlier than you expected. Optionally, you can indicate completeness by adding a 了。同学们7点半就来教室了。This means the students got to the classroom as early as 7:30. More examples. I'll take the plane. In 1.5 hours, I'll arrive at Beijing. 我坐飞机1个半小时到北京。我坐飞机1个半小时到北京。This becomes, 我坐飞机1个半小时就到北京了。And 了 here indicates that the trip has already been completed. 我坐1个半小时就到北京了。Only 1.5 hours. More examples. It will just take a few minutes to get to the restaurant. 饭馆走几分钟就到了。Let's take a look at this in a dramatization. Again, somebody is getting hungry.
工匠，我想吃羊肉。
好啊，我知道一个饭馆，走吧。
离这远不远？
不远不远，走几分钟就到了。
好。
我说什么了？不远不远，走几分钟就到了。Not far at all, just a few minutes walk. And that's it. You can review this grammar information in your textbook under Lesson 7, Notes Number 2. If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK2 video course. We teach you grammar and vocabulary with 75 videos as well as quizzes, interactive flashcards, and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK2 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore. The first unit of each course is available as free preview. Just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Keep in mind that once you buy a course, you will have it forever. Say goodbye to monthly subscription fees. Buy once, enjoy forever, plain and simple. The pricing is very affordable. Join us on the way to Chinese mastery, and I'll see you in the course.